A very warm welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, welcome back. In this video on my Weber Q, I cook one of the nation's favourites and give it a bit of a makeover. Here in the UK, we love our fish and chips. It was possibly one of the first takeaway foods. Back then, cooking ranges were coal-fired, and the fat used was beef fat, or dripping as it is often called. And your fish and chips were wrapped up in newspaper. Fish and chips remain the most popular takeaway today, according to a newspaper survey. Many urban areas have at least one chippy somewhere down the street. Traditional fish and chips consist of a white fish, such as cod, haddock or sometimes plaice, dipped in batter and deep fried in oil. Chips are usually made from a potato suited to deep frying, such as King Edward's or Maris Piper. And to add that finishing touch, a sprinkling of malt vinegar and salt. I'm enjoying a tasty fish and chip takeaway here at the Riverside town of Bewdley in the county of Worcestershire. Long before we had burgers, pizza, Chinese, Indian, Italian, Greek, Caribbean or whatever, this was the original street food. Peace, tranquility, sunshine and delicious food. What more could you wish for on an afternoon in late summer? Back on my patio with my Weber Q, I'm cooking fish and chips. But if you think I'm putting a pan of boiling oil on my grill, then you'd be wrong. Far too risky. I'm cooking a more sophisticated version of the dish, which with less fat and no batter is much healthier, yet just as tasty. This is my restaurant style fish and chips. With both burners full on, the veg basket with a non-stick mat on the grill, close the lid and let it warm up. The grill needs to be really hot, so I'm leaving it for about 20 minutes before I put the potatoes on. So let's get into the kitchen. I'm using sea bass, which I got from the supermarket. It comes with Rocket Pesto Butter. That's a nice touch. For the chips, I'm using baby potatoes cut in half. There are those who say that's not a chip. Well, it may be a different shape and size, but just wait until you taste it. With the spuds in a bowl, a drizzle of oil and a seasoning of salt. Now get your hands in and work around to ensure they're all coated. Now for the fish. Pat it dry with kitchen towel to remove any excess moisture. Then drizzle the skin side with oil and rub it well in to coat it all over. Back out at the barbecue, the veg basket's nice and hot, so in go the potatoes. They'll need about 20 to 25 minutes to cook. Give the potatoes a turn approximately every 5 minutes to ensure even cooking. Another turn and you can see they're changing colour. After 25 minutes, they're a nice golden colour and done. I'm putting them into this enamel dish which will sit on the warming rack whilst the fish is cooking. To cook the fish, I'm using this non-stick mat which I got from Amazon. I just let it warm up a bit. The mat's nice and hot. On goes the fish. Close the lid. These will only need a few minutes to cook, so check them frequently. It's not quite cooked. You can see there's still some pinkish flesh on top. Ah, that looks better. The fish is nice and white, opaque all over, and it's done. The first one off the grill is for the boss, and the other one's for me. Keep the lid closed, I don't want to lose the heat. Just giving the butter a chance to melt a little, not too much. And there it is, my sophisticated, restaurant-style fish and chips, served with tartar sauce and a wedge of lemon. And I've completely forgot the malt vinegar and salt. Oh well. That's my take on an old favourite cooked on a Weber Q. So please check out the other videos on my channel. Click the subscribe button and bell. Give us a thumbs up and leave me a comment, because I really do like to know what you think. That's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.